All right. Mace, you want to go outside? It snowed last night. Come on. Where's Flo Bear? Let's go find him. Come on. Slowpoke. There he is. Good boy, Flo Bear. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, goodness. Yep, it snowed last night. We only got about 4 inches so far. But it's still coming down. Good morning. Good morning, duckies. Got my rams here in their ram pen. My ewes with their little carriage house and their run. Got some beautiful snow last night. Nice little storm. Happy Friday. Oh boy. You leave that little ram alone. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. We're gonna go out in the meadow. My little rams. Good morning. Good morning, rammies. Hi. Hi there. You want to say good morning with your little snowy face? Oh. So sheep do great in the cold. It's actually not that cold. It's like 28, 30 degrees this morning. Come on, Macy. Come on, girl. Do the little hand motion. Come. We're working on sign language with our sweet deaf dog. There. So my little rams are out here. Even though it's open, it's facing away from, like you can see the snow is coming in this direction. So the snow does not go in where they sleep. It stays nice and dry in there. Oh, and they're nice and warm wearing their wool. All right. Mace's got her face in the snow. It's kind of windy today. Let's follow this crazy puppy. Let's see where he's going. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna slip. We had an ice storm the other day that covered everything in like a ½ inch of ice. And then the snow on top of it. It was very slippery. So we're all slipping and sliding. Come on, Flo Bear, let's go. Yeah. Flo Bear loves the snow. He was not born slipping and sliding. I don't even want to try going up that hill. I'm going to go over here. He was not born in the north. He was born down in the south in Alabama. So that's why he wears a little jacket. Oh, I'm going to bite it. Ooh, it is so slippery. I can't believe I made it up that hill. Let's see if Macy can make it up. Come on, Macy! Oh. Oh. Come on, girl. You can do it. Up the hill. It's an old dog. She's sliding up the hill. Here she comes. Woo! Oh, I almost bit it. Okay. I almost slipped. Ooh, I gotta be careful. Oh. There's our pond out yonder. You cannot see it because it is covered in snow. So much for ice skating. It's been the worst winter for ice skating with all the freeze thaw. There's that Floby Boby boy. He's way out there. There he goes. Off into the wild blue yonder. Yes. That's why we come out here, to explore, to smell the new smells, and see what critters were out here last night. We see a lot of tracks in the snow, but since the snow is so fresh, we're probably not going to see any tracks right now. Here he comes. Come on, Flo Bear! Woo, 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 woo. Good boy! Oh, he's so fast. And there he goes. Woo, he's a good boy. Oh, he's like, Macy, play with me. Come chase me. Look how fast I am. Woo! Good boy. Yeah. He is having fun. Go get him, Macy. Go get him. Like, would you please play with me? Would you chase me, please? All right, come on, let's go. Let's chase him. Come on, Macy, let's go. You good girl. He's such a pain. He bites her little ankles. And there they go. All right. I'm going to slowly make my way down this hill without dying. Oh, we love you guys. We hope you're having a great day. Oh man, I love to see Macy playing. Woo! Did you chase her? You were so fast. Where'd he go? There he goes. All right. We love you. Stay safe, stay warm, and we'll see you soon.